Do you write software, whether for a living or for free for other people to use? I paid my bills writing code for 25 years, and if you're like I used to be, we weren't taught to think about security. Let's rephrase that. We were taught not to think about security while we're programming. It's the same thing. Let's do a little pop quiz. Don't worry, it's not graded, and you already know most of what you need to in order to answer these questions. Question 1. If you create a vulnerability in the software, who did it? I'll define vulnerability later, but you don't really need to know to answer this question, right? I didn't create your vulnerability, your boss didn't, your colleagues didn't, your user didn't. You created your vulnerability. Question 2. Who should fix it? You did it. You know the code better than anyone else. Of course you should fix it. Question 3. Who else can fix it? Well, of the other 8.5 billion people on the planet, your colleagues, the other people who are writing the software, are best positioned to fix it. If you moved on, then whoever's assigned to maintain the code can fix it. Question 4, and here we're getting to the point. Who can't fix it? Well, there are a lot of people, but the answer I'm looking for here is cybersecurity professionals, the people who are trying to protect the network, the data, and the organization from attackers who can use your vulnerability to break in, encrypt, and/or steal the data and possibly put your employer, your customer, or your user out of business. If we don't start thinking about security while we're writing software, we can subvert every control put in place by the cybersecurity team without even trying. This channel is about software development and our responsibility to think about security and how we can do so. We'll talk about cybersecurity, vulnerabilities, attackers, and secure software development. Now, if you learned something here, give me a like. If you want to learn more, follow/subscribe.